Switzerland fazai ka ise akoi develop tori yembi asi ka fazai ram roi si akoi tamu jaga da akoi ki Manipur ki interior in the remote area hill area se it's a virgin area for tourism. Trekking border da lakpa trekking lakpa aduga border pillar satse tawudu akoi hojik yaure kitang border pillar number 127 yaudowa hojik tanga akoi kilometer amagumba changa khong changa ga yaurani hojik akoi leidib jaga se si gi jaga se akoi yaure sini yengmyo sirane akoi hojik leiri se mayam sigi Google Maps yengmyo sira akoi leire border pillar 127 da akoi amuk chatlaga hojiki jaga no mayam da amtang wanjarake. Thank you. Finally, we have come to border pillar number 127. And we initially started as a big team, and our team reached Poi today morning. But because of the treacherous route track, many of us could not reach, and 6 of us we are here. Mr. Sunny, Mr. Bijoy from the guide from Poi village, my son Mr. Brajesh, and my junior colleague, Mr. Nilakantha, my best friend, Mr. Ibmo Chobi. We 6 of us, we have finally come to this border pillar number 127. It has been my big dream to visit border pillar number 127 via Poi. So today is a great day, as I have realized one of my dreams, that is stepping into Myanmar border through Poi at border pillar 127. Ngasi siam maiba namit ne ai bangla nama mangja bane angtang di Myanmar ka India ki border Poi phawro sat pasi angtang sat ken mamang na samu attempt to bane ngang 2019 adoi da, but ngasi 2025 ki kenogi November ki tarik tara jaisra koi achu team mamma koi security kai ki mayam yauna koi mayam lakone adu lakodu adu mathang lakpada ngasai lambi si Poi phau di gari thau ya ra mathak lambi yam phattaba leinang adagi ikano oibisna mayam loi lehoraga akoi tama rong kara ko di Shaktiman lambi se kara kana pung ohung ba ngasai te horo pung ohung ba sela matung na akoi ngasi di yoroi tra mayam na na pillar kai ke adu ngasi di akoi si border pillar si yorotna akoi mayam akoi finally akoi yam noi koi khalu yo ngamro dra in khalu bane lambi yam atau sa ado bajare ado yimbi akoina start orokpa akoina orokpa Poi village ada leriba si Poi church le Poi ne Poi tegi Poi village asidagi akoi horokpane matang khom na laga trekking taro akoi team to matang gari sa pa yadan le horakanda akoi pung kai tangna si Poi village tegi si kakalakpane duga mayam music photographer sahi ama mission da yauri ngida country kuntaret mu yengjiramna Switzerland, Sweden, Rome, Holland, Croatia, Romania, Hungary, UK loi sacharure adu Switzerland fazai ka ise akoi develop tori yembi asi ka fazai ram roi si akoi tamu jaga da akoi ki Manipur ki interior in the remote area, hill areas. It's a virgin area for tourism. So I now young minds akoi Manipur maramna khanba Manipur economy panba Manipur world mapla forum kambu dai my earnest appeal will be, let us come together, let us try to develop Manipur as better than any of the Western countries, and we can do it. We have potential for tourism. Our boys and girls are very talented, and only thing is we have to be inclusive, we have to be united, we have to live in harmony, we have to love each and every community, and now see, it is right time for us to come together and work as a wonderful team, including all the communities living in our state, irrespective of which community our people belong to, irrespective of which religion they follow, irrespective of which economic class they belong to. We have to all come together and make Manipur a wonderful state, and also contribute in making India a superpower, and it is my honor. Ini aku yang saya, bunga taruh di dalam.